Hi everyone, welcome back to the another episode of Photoshop. In this episode, we will learn how to resize an image in the saving menu of Photoshop. This could be very useful if you just want to resize the output file without changing the original one. Alright, so let's get started by opening up an image in Photoshop. And to do this, we need to go to the file and then open and then select the image and then click on the open button, and this will open up the image and creates a new file with it. So to resize an image, we need to go to the top menu bar, then file, export and click on save for web, and this will open up a new window. On the left hand side you can see the preview of the optimized image. If you like, you can switch between different preview like original one, or you can view both at a time from here. Here at the bottom of the original one, you can see the size of the current image, which is really big, and beside that is the optimized one, which indicate what size will be the optimized image. Okay, so on here you can find lot of presets to choose from. Each type has different level of quality setting. For example, with the JPEG we got high, low and medium settings. If you don't want to use this preset, then you can customize those settings manually. To do this, first you have to choose what type of format your image you want to save as. So in the drop down menu, you can choose from JPEG, GIF and PNG and also other format. For now I stick with the JPEG. Then over to the right, you can choose the quality of the image. You can manually choose what quality value you want. This will allow you to control over the size of the file. So for example, we can choose 60 for quality, and you will notice straight away it automatically change our quality setting to high. If I choose 20 for the quality, it automatically change our quality setting to low and also reduce the image size. You can also use the slider bar here as well. So let's keep it at 80 for now. And then finally at the very bottom you'll find the image size option, where you can specify the exact pixel dimension of your resize image. So let's go ahead and change the width to 800 pixel. As soon as I type, Photoshop update the value of the preview on the screen with the new size of the image, and it's optimized in size. So what if I was meant to keep the image size as specific or in limited size? Because in some website or social media platform may have the file size limit. For say 100 KB is the maximum I can upload. Well, in this case, we can optimize our image by specific size. To do this, we have to click here. Then select optimize the file size. Here you can enter your desired file size. In this case, it's 100 KB. Then select current setting. But if you find it's not limiting the image size, then go for auto and ignore the slice option because we haven't used any slice here. And then click OK. And our image quality setting is adjusted automatically according to the image size, keeping under 100 KB. So it's kinda cool. You don't have to keep testing on the different value to make the image within 100 KB. Photoshop does all the math for you. If you plan to keep the image size within 100 KB, 53 is the maximum image quality that can be achieved at the width of 800 pixels. Cool. Now you can click on the save button and image is ready. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. I will see you in the next video on Tat Planet.